Assalamualaikum and hi to all my friends and valuable lecturer. My name is Nur Azadina binti Muhammad Shimudin. My metric number is 01DE23F1053 from class DE1B. Today, me and my friend gonna present about vector and scalar in architecture. In this page, I will explain about introduction of architecture. Agriculture is a vital industry that includes the cultivation of plants and the breeding of animals for food, fiber, medicinal plants, and other valuable goods. While it may appear unrelated to mathematics, vector math is important in many parts of agricultural practical and research. Vectors are mathematical constructs that indicate magnitude or size as well as direction. Vectors can be used to describe a variety of physical variables and phenomena in architecture. Here are some instances of vector mathematical application in architecture. Group and yield. Vector can be used to define group goal, top time by measuring group height, your mass, or yield at variable phase. This quantity can be presented as vector for analysis and prediction.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Omar Amirul Biasun Nizam. My matrix number is 01DE23F1047. So next we go to application of vector in selected area. We have three methods that can be used in vector. First, vector method that used in agriculture to calculate force and velocity which is at the tractor tire. Second, vector method used to calculate every vectoring unit. And third, vector methods are used to calculate force and velocity. So, for example, in moving tractor tire has gravity ration for getting result.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Anisana Bihabati Sabri. My metric number is 10DEE23F1031. I'm going to begin with our topic. So, introduction vectors expression have two quantities. First, scalar quantity. If you want to recognize the quantity, it must have magnitude one dimension and the reflection of the change in magnitude. For the example, speed, length, and area volume. Another expression is vector quantity. To recognize vector, it has magnitude and direction. Other than that, it can be 1, 2, or 3 dimension. It is also can reflect either change in direction or a change in magnitude or changes in both. For example, displacement, velocity, acceleration, and force.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Imran bin Muhammad Sofian. My matrix number is 01DEE23F1043. So we move to the next topic is area of parallelogram formula. To find area of the parallelogram, multiply the base of perpendicular by its height. It should be noted that the base and height of parallelogram are perpendicular to each other, whereas the lateral side of the parallelogram is not perpendicular to the base. Thus, the dotted line is drawn to represent the height. Therefore, area equals B times H squares unit, where B is the base and H is the height of parallelogram. So we need to make two equation is A and B. So we use the formula A times B. So we from the equation A and B to equation IJK. So columns number 2 times columns number 3 minus columns number 1 times columns number 3 plus columns number 1 times columns number 3. So we got the answer is negative 81, negative 47, 87. So the last step is we use modulus A minus B. So equals to negative 81, negative 47, 87. So, square root negative 81 square plus negative 47 square plus 87 square. So, the answer is square root 16339 unit square.
So the conclusion is, vector is very important to our daily life and in an engineering. So we all know that vectors are used in engineering mechanics to represent quantities that both magnitude and direction. Many engineering quantities such as force, displacement, velocities and accelerations will need to represent as vector for analysis. Thank you.